Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Rakesh and today we're gonna unbox MX Master 3 mouse. And why this mouse? So this mouse is considered to be the king of productivity and it can reduce your time on a day-to-day task if you use your computer on a daily basis. Except for gaming, it can make your work faster and you can get more work done as compared to what you do right now. So let's talk about the mouse. This mouse is a full-size mouse and it weighs approximately 141 gram, and because of the shape is very comfortable mouse to hold also. It has a rubber coating on it which makes better grip while using it and has a thumb rest also. So overall experience of using this mouse is very comfortable for a long hours. So let's talk about the battery. It has an inbuilt battery of 500 mAh and it has a quick charge functionality too. You can get 3 hours of use by just charging it for a minute, and if you charge it fully you can get 70 days of use. And it charges via USB type C cable, which is very plus point of this. And if you ever get into the situation where your mouse is discharged, you can charge it while using it because the placement of the. So let's talk about the connectivity. It comes with a unifying dongle which you can plug in to your computer, PC, anything, and you can use it, or you can use it by Bluetooth, which I prefer. A mouse can be connected to 3 devices at a time and you can easily switch in between them just by the press of the button which is placed at the back of the mouse. So this mouse can be very useful to those persons who use multiple devices like 2 PC, 2 Mac or PC, anything like that, or like a tablet, phone. You can connect it to any 3 devices you have. You can easily switch in between them. So let's talk about the feature of this mouse. This mouse contains 7 buttons, left and right click, the vertical wheel which also act as a button, and right about that there is a mode shift button. And if we go on a side, you will get thumb wheel. Below that you get a backward and forward button, and below them near the thumb you get the gesture button. So here it's get exciting. With the help of the Logitech software, Logi options, you can customize all those 5 buttons according to you, and not just those 5 buttons, you can change it according to the app specific. So you can go into this Logitech options app and you can assign any like command, anything app specific to any button, all those 5 buttons. And if you got into more advanced mode, you can assign change all those 5 buttons to gesture button, and you can assign 5 function to just 1 button. So totally you can get 25 function in just that mouse. You don't even need to touch the keyboard except for typing. So let's talk about the wheel. It has 2 modes. One is precision and one is hyper fast scrolling. So if in precision mode, you can scroll line by line, and just by press of the button it will change to hyper fast scrolling mode, in which you can scroll 1000 lines in a 1 second, which can be very helpful to coders, to who uses large documents, Excel sheets, spreadsheets on a daily basis. And in a precision mode, it can be useful to those who use Photoshop, edit photos, use Lightroom, use video editing also. So the wheel has a smart shifting mode. It's default to be precise mode, but once you start scrolling faster, it changes to hyper fast scrolling mode, and when it stops, it again comes back to normal precision mode. And that's it about this wheel. So this mouse can work everywhere on any surface, including the glass surface, because of the Logitech's dark field 4000 dpi sensor. Let's talk about who is this mouse for. So people who are a photo editor, video editor, this can help them to get the work done faster. Also for the people who uses coding software like coders, and who uses spreadsheet, Excel document, large document with 100 pages, you can scroll them like anything. And so it can basically reduce your time. For me, it's worth it because I'm a video editor. Also I'm a photo editor, and it reduced me so much time because of shortcut. I can set it to my mouse. So I hope this video helped you in some way, and if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thank you.